Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TP-Link Tapo app and remove smart plugs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, locate the TP-Link Tapo app on your device. If you are using an Android device, open the app drawer. Find the Tapo app icon within the list of installed apps. Press and hold the Tapo app icon until options appear. Select the uninstall option from the menu. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK or uninstall. For iOS devices, locate the Tapo app icon. Press and hold the app icon until it starts to wiggle. Tap the X that appears in the corner of the icon. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete. Next, ensure that your smart plugs are also removed from your account. Open the Tapo app one last time if needed. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the Devices section within the app. Select the smart plug you wish to remove. Tap on the settings icon or three dots in the corner of the selected device. Choose the Remove Device or Delete Device option. Confirm your choice to remove the smart plug from your account. Once removed, the smart plug will no longer be connected to your Tapo account. That's it, you have successfully uninstalled the TP-Link Tapo app and removed your smart plugs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.